Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another testnet airdrop which is in a really early stage, and the project is called Ventuals. It's a very unique project built on top of Hyperliquid. Here users can trade pre-IPO companies with up to 10x leverage. That means you can go long or short on these companies. The best part is that the Ventuals airdrop is confirmed. What are pre-IPO companies? Pre-IPO companies are those that haven't gone public yet. For example, OpenAI, SpaceX, Kraken. These can be traded here before their IPO. Since this is a testnet, the money you earn won't be real. Still, joining the airdrop is worthwhile. What makes it interesting is that it's a unique project built on Hyperliquid, giving it strong potential. Before joining the airdrop, if you want all the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. The joining process is very easy. I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find the link. Simply click that link and you will land on this page. First, click here on login, then select continue with wallet and choose MetaMask wallet. Click connect. And then confirm. Your wallet is now connected successfully. Now here you'll need to get some mock USDT. To do this, you have to pay a $1 fee using Ethereum or USDC. You can use Ethereum, Base or Arbitrum network. Here I'll select Ethereum, then click on submit payment. Then confirm. And wait a bit. You will see the confirmation at the bottom. And as you can see, I've got 500 USDT test tokens for trading. Next, you can choose any company to trade. For example, I'll choose SpaceX. And then you can see a trading chart will appear just like on regular exchanges. On the right side, you will see options like market or limit orders. For example, here I'll put a 100 USD trade. Then click confirm. Then approve. And then confirm. My first trade is done. The main goal is to generate trading volume, not profit or loss. Avoid instantly closing trades after opening them, as that may be flagged as bot activity. Instead, try to open and hold trades properly. As more companies are added to the platform, trade across as many as possible to generate higher volume. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.